Okay, in this video we'll see 3-bit synchronous up-down counter. So already we completed synchronous up counter and synchronous down counter. Now this is combinedly, this is 3-bit synchronous up-down counter. So for up-down counter, so you have to introduce one more variable, that is m. That means if m is 0, if you give m equal to 0, it will perform down counter. If you give m equal to 1, it will give up counter. So first we'll see the state diagram. We already seen the state diagram for up counter and down counter. So here what you have to do means you have to write both the things. See, m equal to 1. M equal to 1 means it will do the up counter. So what it will do, from 0 0 it will go to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, again 0, that is for up counter. Then the green arrow marks, it is down counter. For that m value equal to 0. So what it will count, it will be count reverse: 0 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, again 0. So it is down counter if m equal to 0. So we are using JK flip flop. So write the excitation table for JK flip flop, then the excitation table for counter. So here what you have to do means, in the present state QC, QB, QA, in that you have to add one more variable, that is mode m. So now these four, now we are going to take it as a input: m, QC, QB, QA. So the inputs are 4. If the inputs are 4, how many combination you will get? 2 power 4, 16 combination you will get. So write the 16 combination first. That is 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 0 1 0, like that. You will get 3 decimal number: 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 up to 1 1 1 means 15. So 0 to 15, 16 state you will get. Okay, so once if you completed the present state, the next state always write it, that is 3 state, present state, no? So 3 next state: QC plus 1, QB plus 1, QA plus 1. So how to write the next state means, you have to see if m equal to 0 means it is a down counter, no? So you have to see the down counter state diagram. See, m equal to 0, that means 0 0 means it goes to where? 1 1 1. So write 1 1 here, 1 1. Similarly for present state 0 0 1, so m is 0, so it is a down counter. So up to 7 you have to use down counter. For 0 0 1 means, see, 0 0 1, see the down counter, it goes to 0 0 0. So write 0 0. So like that you have to, up to 7 you have to write it. For 7 also m equal to 0, 1 1 1. So see, 1 1 1 down counter. For 1 1 1 down counter, for 1 1 1 down means green arrow mark, so it goes to 1 1 0. So 1 1 0. So next, here m equal to 1, so it is up counter. That means 0 0 0. For 0 0 it goes to 0 0 1. 1 means 2, 2 means 3, because it is up counter. Like that it will go. For 6 means 7, 7 means again it will go to 0 0. So the next state we completed. So there is a 3 states, so 3 flip flop is required. So write it JC, KC, JB, KB, JA, KA. So for to fill up JC, KC, you have to see QC and QC plus 1. See the excitation table. 0 1 means it is 1x. 0 1 means 1x. You have to remember the excitation table. 1x. Similarly, you have to fill up QC, QC plus 1. You have to use JC and KC. Complete the table. And similarly complete JB, KB and JA, KA. Okay. So now for you have to draw the K map for JC, KC, JB, KB, JA, KA. So here you see the previous only up counter and down counter, only 3 variables are taken as input. For up down counter, the one more variable also you have to take it, that is m. So you have to draw a 4 variable K map. 4 variable K map, that is 16 cell you will get. So here you have to write in the order only. M and QC you have to write it here, QB QA. So don't change the order, then you will get the wrong answer. So you always write M QC here. First 2 column you have to write it here, second 2 column QB QA. So write the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here also the order M bar QC bar, M bar QC, M QC, M QC bar, here QB bar QA bar, QB bar QA, QB QA, QB QA bar. Then fill up the JC. So here I'll return the decimal number. So for 0 it is 1, for 1, 2, 3 it is 0, 0, 4x. Then see here it is 1, for 0 it is 1, then 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 4 it is x. Then similarly you have to see 5, 6, 7, XX, 7 it is 0, sorry 5, 6, 7, XX, for 8, 9, 10, 0, 0. 8, 9, 10, 0, 0, 5, 6, 7, x6. Then from 11 to 15 it is x6. See, from 11 sorry 12 to 12, 13, 14, 15, sorry 12 to 15 only XX, 11 it is 1, see 11 it is 1, so 11 it is 1, 12, 13, 14, 15 it is XXX. So complete the table, okay. Then do the grouping. See, 4 grouping is not possible for this one. The 4 is not possible for this one also. 4 is not possible. So we'll do the 2 grouping. So this is 1 2 grouping and this is another 2 grouping. So if you take this 2 grouping, so QC complement that. So QC won't be that. M bar. So write M bar here. Then here QB bar QA bar. So it is M bar QB bar QA bar for this 2 group. For another this 2 group means QC and QC complement is there, so it won't come. So only M. So write M here. Then QB QA. So write QB QA here. Similarly, you have to do the K map for KC, JB, KB, JA, KA. So once if you did the K map, you will get this answer. Okay, for KC, for JB and KB and JA and KA. So you have to do the K map for all the 6 K map you have to do, and you have to find out the answer. After that you have to draw the logic diagram. So 2 flip-flops, 3 flip-flops, A, B, C. For J, then this is synchronous counter. So all the clock pulse, it is a negative edge trigger. It is connected to CP clock pulse. We seen JA, KA value is 1, 1. So JA and KA is connected to 1. Then JB and KB, it is M bar QA bar plus MQA. So M and M bar is there. So what we can do means we will introduce one line. This is M. We will put one NOT gate, so it is become M bar. So this is M line and this is M bar line. So M bar and QA bar, this is multiplied. So here we need AND gate. And M and QA are also, it is in product term. So here also we need AND gate. So with 2 AND gate it is needed. Then one summation is there. So these 2 terms we summed using the OR gate. So what we required means 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate is needed. So first this AND gate one input is connected to M, see M, another one is QA, so you will get multiplied M into QA, because AND gate means it is a product, so multiply M and QA, so you will get M QA. Another AND gate, that one input is connected to M bar line, one input is connected to M bar line, another one input is connected to QA bar. So these two will be multiplied in the AND gate, so it is M bar and QA bar. After that OR gate, so OR gate means these two will be added, M QA plus M bar QA bar, it is connected to JB. And KB also same thing, KB also same answer, so KB also connected to same thing. Then for JC, M bar, QB bar, QA bar. So the three terms you have to be multiplied, and here M, QB and QA. M, QB, QA. So what you have to do means, here one more two AND gates and one OR gate, and this is the AND gate. So already see here in this AND gate we already multiplied M, QA multiplied. So we'll take this one and we connect it to here, so you'll get M QA. Then one more QB also is there, so you will get M QA, will get it from here, and another QB, so this is become M QB and QA. And for this one, so this one input is connected to here, so this is already M QA, M bar QA bar, so M bar QA bar, and again QB bar it is connected, so this is M bar QB bar QA bar. Through OR gate we can add these two. So this is the answer for JC and KC. So that is logic diagram is completed. Thank you.